Hello everyone, I am back. I'm so sorry I dropped out of the scene. I am planning to move, so I've been really busy. We've been hunting for a home, so I've been really busy packing things up, and it has taken me literally, and I'm not exaggerating, packing up 9 by 10, I believe, size room. I'll put it down in the description to be exact. My art room, I mean, like at least so far 4 days. And I would say like 2 hours a day. Yeah, like 2.5, almost 3 hours a day. Taking stuff off the walls, placing them in boxes, labeling it, you know the works, whoever, has moved. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. But I am going to upload a few videos where I want to, first of all, bring this haul here from Amazon. I bought some containers for my carts. So I really wanted to share this because I've seen them for so much more in ikea and other stores, and I literally got these, I think there are 3 of them for like $8 and change. So that's not bad at all. So I wanted to open this up and show you what they look like. And I wanted to also show you the results of my Frankenstein fabric covers. I wanted to do that and then show you some, they're not exactly, well, they're imitation to traveler's notebooks, but I have made them out of books, recycle books. So I want to show you that too. But without further ado, let's just get into this right here and show you what these look like, because I'm dying to see them. Oh, okay. But I will be uploading those other videos. But I wanted to really look at these. Oh, look at these. These are not bad at all. They're really sturdy. Really, really sturdy. They're not ikea, of course. And so this piece here rests in the side of your cart. So it goes like that. So I got, they're pretty big. Let me show you how big they are. I mean, literally can fit a couple of things in there. I mean, of course, these objects are big, but you can, scissors, stamps, I don't know. Sky's the limit, right? What you can put in these. So I got 3 here, and this is a set, do not separate. Oh, they must have forgotten to take off that, oops. Oh gosh. That tag. Yeah. They made really nicely. Now, I film on my I wanted to show you, my mess, how these little containers worked. So that's what they look like. And you just hang them on here. If I can push half of that stuff out. Yeah, I have to clean all of this out and pack. And so I'll put that one there. Gotta find a space. And that's what they look like. That is so cool. So I got 3. I have 2 carts. Yeah. So I'll show you my mess. Yeah, see? I'm pulling stuff out of the walls and still not done. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. I'm kind of moving around on my chair. So yes, that's a haul, which I'm going to record and show you the stuff that I got. And see, that's the outside. Boxes, empty, empty. So this is my room in progress of packing up. Anyway, so I will be filming my new room when I move. And I also wanted to share before I sign off, it's these scissors, the Tim Holtz. So I always wanted them. I got a great deal for them. This one I think I paid like $15 in Target, I believe. And these two sets, I got the little one, and I got these for like, I believe $10 or something. I think it was in Amazon. So now I got all three, large, medium, and small. And what I like about this, where I was watching him demonstrate, is that they kind of, my husband says he doesn't believe it, but this is, first of all, this is soft, this grip here, and then they're like self-sharpening. So I'm like, wow, that's cool. Even if they last for, I don't know, they're strong enough to cut through plastic and other hard materials, he said. But as long as they last like, I don't know, 6 years, who cares, right? It beats having all these other scissors. Anyway, so I'm going to sign out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for my new subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope I inspired you to buy something. I'm only kidding. I hope I inspire you somehow in organizing your carts. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.